Welcome back to Tutorial. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I got Glossybox today. It's
Finally.
the 28th.
Finally.
I think I said I could have taken the 30th, so I guess I'm lucky that I got it today.
Finally. While she's opening that, I turned to it's a Glossybox thing on my phone.
Because they no longer do a card in the box.
So it's digital now. It says, to our Glossies, this is our last present to you this year. We're excited to give you the final Glossybox of 2019. We want to thank each of the you Glossies for an amazing year, from watching you share on social media to seeing you tell your friends about us and hearing your opinions and desires for the future in our surveys. We thank you for letting us bring something extra to your door each month and for letting us grow this community to look ahead in 2020. Happy New Year, the Glossybox team.
So that's cute. I like the gold bow. Okay, the first thing. Whoa, it's like they're wrapped like upside down. Do they? That's kind of weird. Stickers like on the bottom, like.
I just want you to open it.
Well, first thing I'm pulling out is Golden Gatsby 3D. Is that? I don't know. Is that Faux Mink Lashes?
By
Splash Cosmetics. Yeah.
It says,
and my nails look horrible, people.
Full size is featured. Full size value $15. Remember the Roaring 20s. Look ahead for the revival on New Year's Eve with these luxurious lashes that are as unique, vivacious, and stunning as a glittering gown.
And then I got Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer.
And this says, infused with guarana extract, this 3-phase nail treatment system combines an invigorating blend of oils, extracts, and vitamins that help hydrate and revitalize tired, dull cuticles and nails. And it looks like from on here she could have gotten that or a pressed powder, which powder is like the one I have.
Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio.
Glow Getter. It says this triple threat set will help you put your best face forward. Vegan friendly, highly pigmented, and a velvety fill. Make luxury the new standard with this perfect kit to jumpstart your revamped beauty routine. This is such tiny writing.
Show this. Those are all, well,
bronzer, highlighter,
I guess bronzer,
blush.
Yeah. Bronzer, contouring blush or something. Is that what we said? I don't know.
I like it.
Kind of looks like, see, I always think it's like dirty because of that. Well, I don't know. I guess it's like, but, and then the sheet's not on it. Yeah.
Plastic's up, but.
Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is Luxie Large Shader 209
Rose Gold Makeup Brush. It says this Luxie Signature Rose Gold Collection includes 12 makeup brushes for face and eye application. Perfect for the professional and beginner alike. These soft synthetic bristles encased in a rose gold female atop a chick pink handle make them a functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to your vanity. Sorry guys if you heard an alarm. That's just our phone's going off. So
yeah, that brush at least I'll probably put in a giveaway because, like, I don't know. Anyway, and then Steve Lauren, I don't know how to say that.
Laurent, but I might be wrong.
Laurent? Might be.
It says Lip Tint Cherry. This creamy lip tint has high pigmentation, glides on smoothly, and is cruelty-free for the fabulously environmentally conscious.
That's in cherry.
With a smaller carbon footprint, I said that. And long-lasting power, this cherry red tint is sure to bring that classic glam to life this year.
So I was just gonna, I was gonna open it and so that's what it looks like when it's out of the box. And I was just gonna like show, I'm not gonna like swipe it or anything, but it looks like that. So, yeah, I definitely wanted to keep that because it's yeah. Anyway, I think that was it.
And this box 25.
No, I think this is still 22. Like 63 or something.
I missed getting this box. I think I got it for like 3 months way back.
Unless I'm mistaken. Unless it went up.
But I'm not sure which order we'll still putting videos in. If this one will go up the day we film it, hopefully it does. And then we have a couple other videos still to post. So hopefully we'll catch us in those and stay subscribed to catch us in our future giveaways. And give us a like if you like this video, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.